So today we are discussing tips for marketing on Facebook in 2018. This one is mainly for solopreneurs, fan pages, people that could actually use a personal page. And that's actually what I want to talk about today. I guess some examples of that would be if maybe you're a local real estate agent, a car salesman, maybe you do independent sales, or possibly you are a solopreneur. I consider myself at this point in time a solopreneur, which is my cat is making all this noise while I'm trying to do this video. So what I mean, so I consider myself a solopreneur. I do freelance digital marketing work. If you're a freelancer online, that this applies to you as well. Maybe you're in a band, a small or medium-sized band, and you're a band member. Anyone that would require a Facebook fan page or still a businessy type page on Facebook. So with these new algorithm changes in 2018 for Facebook that have been announced in the past week or so, there's a lot of speculation. What should I actually do on Facebook? Some things I'm hearing is Facebook even worth my time anymore? What am I supposed to do? So for these types of businesses or people, this is what I suggest. Okay, so I do suggest having a personal Facebook page. So you can have up to 5,000 friends on Facebook, and this actually gives you the opportunity to communicate with those people without having to hack the algorithm. What you can do is you can be friend requesting and accepting requests from anyone that would be your fan or your target audience, clients, past clients, potential clients, and also business contacts. So that way you can definitely be building trust within your community without having to worry about those Facebook guidelines. Now, if you're doing that, I still suggest getting a Facebook business page and having one, keeping it up to date. This is really important for a couple of reasons. First off, your credibility and your legitimacy, especially if you're a solopreneur or even a salesperson. So if someone is actually searching for you, your name is going to pop up, your personal page will pop up, your business page will pop up. So that's important that you're on there. You could have reviews on there. People can actually communicate with you on that page and post. And you also, to get found, you can also be working on getting found with your keywords, which I talk about a lot in my other Facebook videos that I've made in the past, and it's still relevant now, is Facebook keywords and getting found in Facebook search. I will link to one of those videos below. That way you can at least check out what I'm talking about. That's something that's going to need to continue. Strategy-wise, it's going to depend on, first off, your size, how much you're using your personal page. Also, you want to have the option with the business page. You want to have that option to be able to run ad campaigns. Now, you might be small enough to where you don't want to run any right now. You don't have the budget for it, but you want to have this option in case you need to run ads, and because Facebook ads are incredible. If you start becoming bigger than the 5,000 friend limit, you definitely want the option to create a group, which is a really good alternative for pages since the reach is decreasing. It's a good alternative to be able to have a group because that is organic reach through your group. If you're that could already be in your strategy over the personal page. I don't know. It depends on who you are, what your plan is, how much time you have. But the option to connect your group to your business page is very important. Also, events. The option to be able to connect events to your your business page is important as well. I have in my content plan plans to make a video over how to use your personal page for business. I'd like to wait and make that since Facebook is changing the news feed, I want to research it a little bit more. I kind of know how it goes right now on people using it for business, but like I said, I want to wait and do a little bit more research before I put out something for 2018 and my advice for that. If you don't know what I'm talking about the Facebook algorithm change, I made a video. I'm going to link to it in the description. It is Facebook algorithm changes of 2018. I will link to that. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, do that. Follow me somewhere. I'd love to connect. All right. See y'all later.